Suwannee started off with me and my brother starting in the fab industry all of our lives with our dad. We specialize in structural miscellaneous steel. Our operation before Peddinghaus equipment was the Stone Age when we started. It was mag drills and hand torches, and then we just grew a little bit at a time after that.
So when we brought in the first Peddinghaus equipment about 1.5 years ago, it was a game changer.
The Peddinghaus saw cuts way faster and cleaner than any saw that we have had. We've had multiple other brands, and none of them could even compete with the Peddinghaus saw.
We used to take 5 minutes to drill a hole by hand, down to a second of drilling it with the Advantage 2.
The Peddinghaus equipment offers us a lot better sales to our customers because we could produce material and produce the product so much faster than you can manually doing everything.
Having the Advantage 2 has reduced our defects. The measurements are on. We're within a 1/16 of an inch. We're in with our specification tolerances.
We did have another brand and competitors drill and saw. Peddinghaus's drill and saw was faster and more productive.
To this point, till from 1.5 years from the time we've had the machine, it has already tripled our production.
Suwannee has grown tremendously in the last 5 years.
Peddinghaus equipment actually has played a big part of that role in us to be able to expand and grow bigger and expand our operations. And this actually is expanding all the way into Mexico as well.
We would have never been able to do these jobs that we've got in the shop with the least amount of man hours that we're doing them with and on time.
We're currently going to add almost 400 linear foot of shop space, 400 by 100 foot wide. This is the next expansion that we have. We actually plan on putting a second shop right to the east side of our current shop.
The schedule is very critical to our customers, and the price is also critical. We wouldn't even be getting these jobs if we didn't have this equipment. They are the best equipment out in the business. There's no need to save the money and try to buy the cheaper stuff up front. Go straight direct with the Peddinghaus, and you'll be way further ahead in the game.